inside one of the Cape's coolest ruins. Next!
CapeCast.
We're in the middle of Hawksnest State Park in Harwich, a little-known gem, searching for the ruins of a duck hunting camp. The road in was rough. Alright, down on the isthmus, you don't get to say that too often. All of a sudden, whoa, whoa. There it is. Genuine ruins. According to the very cool Friends of Hawksnest website, duck hunting camps in the area date back to the late 1800s and early in the 1900s. This ruin right here is located between Black Pond and Hawksnest Pond on a cool little strip of land. It's quiet and evocative. It's murky and frightening in there, so let's put on the night vision.
CapeCast.